what happens when raw power meets cutting-edge tech. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado isn't just another truck. It's a bold evolution of one of America's most iconic pickups. Whether you're hauling, off-roading, or commuting in style, this Silverado brings more than just muscle. Stick around to find out why it's turning heads in 2025. Bold new design with purpose. Chevy has sharpened the Silverado's look for 2025 with a more aggressive grille, sleeker LED headlights, and refined body lines that scream capability. Available in multiple trims, from work-ready to luxury-grade high country, there's a Silverado for every kind of driver. Performance that delivers. Under the hood, the Silverado offers multiple powertrains, including an enhanced 6.2-litre V8 and a more efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder. The ride is smoother thanks to updated suspension tuning and available adaptive dampers, perfect for those who demand both strength and comfort. Smart tech, smarter trucking. Inside, the Silverado boasts a revamped 17-inch touchscreen with Google built-in, Super Cruise hands-free driving on select trims, and upgraded towing tech to make heavy jobs easier and safer. Final thoughts. With brawny capability, cutting-edge features, and refreshed style, the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado is built for today's truck lover and tomorrow's challenges. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews and stay ahead of what's next in the auto world.